Hi there, welcome back to Inbound Tutorials. I am Jimmy and I'm excited to discuss converting your website visitors into leads by implementing your inbound strategy. Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel as we increase our viewership with more inbound marketing content for you. Make sure to hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new inbound marketing content. To refresh your memory from the last video, an inbound strategy is a customer-centric approach to marketing that focuses on attracting, engaging, and delighting customers. The buyer's journey is the process that a potential customer goes through as they become aware of, consider, and decide to purchase a product or service. To use the inbound methodology and buyer's journey for website conversion, you can follow these steps. Attract visitors to your website by creating valuable and relevant content that addresses the specific needs and pain points of your target audience. Use SEOs, social media, and other digital marketing tactics to drive traffic to your website. Engage visitors by providing them with a seamless user experience, clear navigation, and calls to action that guide them toward the next step in the buyer's journey. Delight visitors by providing them with personalized and helpful content that addresses their specific needs and pain points. Use lead magnets, email campaigns, and other tactics to nurture leads and build trust. Convert visitors into customers by providing them with a clear and compelling offer that addresses their specific needs and pain points. Use landing pages, forms, and other conversion optimization tactics to increase conversions. Continuously measure, analyze, and optimize your website's performance to improve the conversion rate. By following these steps, you can use the inbound methodology and buyer's journey to increase website conversions and grow your business. Here are some specific ways you can infuse the inbound methodology and buyer's journey into your website. Use buyer personas to understand the needs and pain points of your target audience. Tailor your website content and messaging to address these needs and pain points. Optimize your website for SEO by including keywords that your target audience is searching for in your content, meta tags, and URL. Create a clear and seamless user experience by using a simple, clean design, intuitive navigation, and clear calls to action. Use lead magnets like ebooks, webinars, and white papers to capture visitor information and nurture leads through the buyer's journey. Use landing pages and forms to convert visitors into leads and customers by clearly communicating the value of your products or services and making it easy for visitors to take the next step. Use analytics to track and measure the performance of your website, and use the insights you gain to optimize your website for conversions. Use email marketing and retargeting campaigns to keep in touch with visitors who have shown interest in your products or services and to guide them further through the buyer's journey. Continuously test different elements of your website, such as headlines, images, and calls to action, to identify what works best for your audience and improve conversions over time. By following these steps, you can infuse the inbound methodology and buyer's journey into your website, which will help you attract, engage, and convert more visitors into leads and customers. I am Jimmy. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching until next time.